Hello everybody and welcome to this week's vlog. So what is going on out there in the sales market? And that is a very good question. So we've got some interesting forces at play. So interest rates being left flat. Will they go up again? Who knows? A bit of uncertainty. I think everybody's getting used to 4 or 5%, and maybe that's what the Reserve Bank wants us to do. So they're doing that. We had auctions last weekend, and they were very much at the high end with, I have to say, some mixed results. So definitely some properties that were super special, had something very unique about them going out the door. Some of the others not necessarily. We've got more auctions this weekend, so it'll be interesting to see. One of the things that I'm thinking about is we've definitely seen an increase of stock, and this is across the market. So we deal with a lot of apartments, particularly in the inner city, and they are contingent upon houses selling in the suburbs in order to fund it. So definitely housing stock is going up. So it'll be interesting to see, people wanting to do the upgrade to move on, whether they get a good price, which means that they can afford to pay a good price where they're going, or whether we're going to see an impact on prices moving forward. We're supposed to have been going in a downturn, and the thing that has saved us this year, or saved vendors this year, is a lack of stock. So that lack of stock, not as much to choose from, has actually kept prices up. So with stock coming on, does that mean that we're going to see that price pressure actually dropping, and actually we're going to start to see values moving down? And that's the big question. And you know what? I do not have an answer for that. But I'm definitely watching it very closely. I think if you're a vendor, you do need to be conscious of that. So, we do get those whole things where everyone's holding out for prices, and you think, should you do your deal now based on potentially things getting worse in the future? I don't know. One of the big messages I sort of feel from economic commentators is no one has the answer. Anyway, so I don't have it either, but it's going to be very interesting to wait and see. So I suppose a summary of that: buyer inquiry is still up there, so that's good. Interest rates are stable for the moment, month on month, that's good. Stock levels going up, potentially not that good in terms of pricing, and I think navigating that for everybody is just go that one step at a time, and make sure if you've got from a vendor's point of view, if you've got a good buyer, do a deal. Okay, thank you very much, everybody, and see you next week.